Mama and her babies are exploring the new run, or the extension of the new enclosure. And all the others are very curious what's going on over there. There we go. So eventually I'll connect the two, but for now it's just going to be the chick run. And I have 4 eggs in the incubator. And so when those chicks hatch, I'll probably try to put them in here somewhere too. I don't think the mother's gonna take care of those ones. I might have to get a lamp. But the chicks are very happy. They're exploring. I think that's Tilly over there. That's Tilly. A little darker. I think they found the food and water I put there. They have so much more space. So I just need to finish fencing off the roof. I ran out of staples. This is all just scrap from my old chicken coop. I didn't have to buy any more chicken wire, which was nice. But yeah, I just need to finish that part. But most of the edge has the roof fencing, so I'm not worried about them getting out. Especially, I mean, the mom's the only one that feasibly could, but I don't think she will. So there they all are. Yeah, the other ones really want to get in on the action over there. Not yet. And so it's just about 7:30 in the morning on July 3rd, 2026. And it's gonna be a hot day. It's gonna be like 100 degrees, very humid. So it's nice that the chickens have some shade. It stays shady just about all day. Actually, the sunniest part is probably already over because it's the sunniest here when the sun is just rising.